You people, welcome back to the Eye, the Red, the Matter, where we day for year in the year. It has been a pleasure watching Oyibo people who sing Nigeria song where they make Lucky Shy the shock. But we are not in shock.
Did they surprise to Lucky Shy?
Yes, it's surprising to him because he has not seen Oyibo people before. We have seen Oyibo people where? Yes, we have seen Oyibo people where. Now what we are going to is story of Waward. Yes, when we say story of Waward, that's not the thing where they happen for newspaper. We won't talk now to make una belly sweet. Lucky Shine,
brotherly, honestly spoken, on our welcome once again. Now, truly, this story, Wawa to the level we say we need to talk them. Then say dead body go withdraw 4.3 million naira for bank.
What happened?
I don't know. So make we hear the story, then we go deliberate on this matter. How dead body take go bank, go withdraw 4.3 million naira. Story is Wowo.
I feel really worried.
Dead body don't withdraw 4.3 million naira from bank. Oh, Tweke. Tori will not be lie. Wonder shall never end. Oh, ho, ho. She dey bury away be medical doctor, die for car accident for Enugu Road on his way to his wedding for 2013. But now the family they call receive back alert say the dead man used ATM withdraw 4.3 million naira from his own account for Union Bank inside Kaduna. Pretty shocked the family be say when she dey bury their life, they use ATM card. But now when he don't die, he go apply for ATM card, go withdraw all the money where they in account. Tori can get killed because she dey bury brother where they abroad, be they send her money to keep. The guy don't come back only to hear say she dey bury dead body, don't withdraw all the money as he back the trucker.
Oh my God, not too well
We hustle to his grave. That guy hustled this way. Even when he died, he was still hustling. Because for him to have died and went to apply for ATM card after his death, my brother, you are a hustling spirit.
What is the name of that cemetery in Unilag?
Now, what's
no, not because
where this guy?
They around.
When the people pass, did they not say this can't go up now? When they drive past, they see ATM machine for cemetery. The matter for before you enter the cemetery.
Serious?
Wait till you see.
That be saying not true. This thing, hey.
I be saying the guy would do the money. I don't say, and I'm saying we don't get bank of the spirit.
Oh my God.
I need to go open an account to the person who don't know where person die. So that you keep money there. So see money spent.
They did very shocking, truly. Because they need their life, he no value ATM card. So now when he can't die, he can't go apply.
Maybe the boy
they fear in family. Say,
they fear in family.
As don't go, so they're not going to do anything for his whole family. Will leave him.
Or they begin kill themselves, call him money.
And I just go withdraw anything myself.
Man, solve on a problem. Let me withdraw this money.
Yes, that's another good idea. Good idea.
But you know, say even for Bible, Jesus talk one thing. Say make you put your treasure in heaven. Say because if you put your treasure for earth here, it is spoiled.
Let me say the guy won't buy duplex for heaven.
The guy no.
Or maybe he won't buy flat.
But the way they surprise me now, be say that ATM when you go get after he don't die.
Collected from Bank of the Spirit.
Bank of the
Spirit is affiliated to his bank.
And that means they use ATM there.
Yeah,
so we have to prepare ourselves.
Prepare yourself, please.
When you are going to die.
The end is near, so please be prepared. Open your bank account of the Spirit now.
These are the signs of the end.
In Spirit Bank. To call them, contact them on 00 Spirit Bank.
Spirit Bank.
Okay, MC Shaggy, what did happen?
My brother, the one so many things happen for this country. So many things happen. Now, person went there for wish here. I hate it. Congo rob bank.
I beg.
Wait.
All this kind of news, they say. What did you do this one?
But if it happen, because get one when they wish here for this area, don't say when they overtake me.
I got to overtake.
I'm going to hear the story.
Man where they wish here, the rob bank go escape. Oh lo. Man where they wish here go rob bank for New York or roll out from the building with $1,200 cash. It was a successful robbery. According to surveillance video, the guy passed note to bank teller demanding for money. Despite say the guy no show gun to the bank worker, nobody stop him as he go outside with him wheelchair. Truly, there is ability in disability.
So ability say if it rob now.
Whatever an able-bodied man can do, a crippled
disabled-bodied man can do too.
Yes. Yes.
Elena, I'm so surprised I never sneeze since. You can see miracle they work for you.
My brother, this miracle, I cannot believe it.
Miracle we share.
Because this thing when I did it, so when I know my body, it's not me. But the miracle, I cannot explain.
I even imagine I say the guy go with a wish here. That note when I be say, don't try me. I dey wish if I stand, I go do things. So you try, you give me that money.
If he write for the note, say, I dey here. As I dey here, so bomb day. Everything day, gone day. If you refuse, bomb blast, everything. You go just, the lady will quietly give him.
I beg.
Okay, no worry. Give her the money, go. Quietly.
Funny, they say they wash and they go. Nobody
go feel here and now.
I want to stop cripple. I want to stop disabled person where they
go rob.
I want to even talk ourselves say, we were robbed today. Headlines. The news headlines. A disabled man in a wheelchair robbed a bank. That cashier will rob it. There's one beat the guy.
Even the banks, the guy is security.
One beat the guy. Even security when the bank. I manage. I take pass here.
Well, that's authority.
But I'm not sure say in Nigeria that it happen.
No.
Because when I hear dollar, because when I hear dollar, I don't say no be Nigeria. Because that can't see no
so one disabled person now go roll with chair. Roll the chair. Come back.
No, the disabled people get and I beg, they beg. They don't rob.
But if you go by, according to what if you go by that disabled way, this our road.
The guy feel wrong.
This our road. That guy they overtake motor. You know, if you roll that thing once.
And he revise. They are revising. They surprising.
You don't there for
swag.
You don't there for hold up. You know, say that they hold up sometimes. When you dey for, you just see something pass you for side no. Go look back, listen and disabled.
Okay, now Red-Tori normally na Shakara they talk all this kind of story, but as you know, they let me just help him as his friend. This one they just say, Hombo, guy will be woman, key a fellow, a babe, will be man. No, guy will be man.
They be same man.
The same man.
A guy will be woman, kill a guy will be man.
In short,
for their relationship.
To clear the
because of 600 naira.
To clear the thing where there's homosexual killing lover because 600 naira.
I mean, two guys where they do things. Yes. One kill one for 600 naira.
You think get story?
He supposed get. I get me to say go get story.
Hear the story.
This guy is supposed to get story, yes. He go get story.
Homosexual killing lover because of 600 naira. Agbabi Akao. 120-year-old man, Anthony Toms, organized 4 guys go beat the homosexual lover. Sake of say the lover no gree pay her 600 naira igbese wey dey owe am. He say no be intention to beat him 32-year-old lover, Sonye Chukwudidayo. But as the kasala happen, he no get choice. This one happen inside Rasokuti Garden for Anthony Village inside Lagos.
Is this one a sad story or a welcome story?
I don't know anything when I want to talk about.
It's just a story.
What I have to say is, look, if you want to date a man as a man, date a man will get money. Because for a homosexual to kill a boyfriend for 600 naira, people are broke. If for anything I will have to change my sex, let me say the person go worth like 682 trillion pounds. So I go know that if I want to kill him, I kill him for something good. How can you kill somebody for 600 naira?
Correct.
600 naira.
The funniest same of yourself. Even now, your
lover they owe you 600 naira.
And you kill her.
The funny thing.
My wife they owe me 1 million. I tell her she leave her. 600 naira.
Hello.
Still continue.
But this one a man versus
move on.
If you look this thing now, this thing because 600 naira, this guy killing lover. And now they don't legalize that for US. They legalize for US say make man the marry man. So how many now they feel they keep calling all these things? But if love not there, now be all these things. So there is no love day between man and man.
But wait,
this is spell amount.
Wait, but we even talk.
There's no harm.
How man they attracted to man?
I don't understand.
As I just see shagging, I don't look, I can't lick my mouth.
Something they worry you. Something that they do you.
Very good. No, you go balance on a 2 color blend. Now to network.
No. I fit
carry you.
I don't know.
Because their nonsense excuse me say the woman gene where they say me plenty person in my home after they behave like woman. You don't ever see goat where be homosexual before. Any man goat they pursue that man goat. You got to do instead of man.
That go tell you can call you behave with cat.
But imagine lucky child. Imagine they kill each other because of 600. No, for winter the year now. For abroad, normally they legalize and say yes, made the marriage sure. But for Nigeria, anybody when they do it, they involve itself because say money
they come.
Money
it's like go meet now heavy.
But this thing now, they don't say war don't come to an end. This story now they link to another one because Tori don't really war for this life. And this is at the end time, more than whole and God strong.
Yes.
He God really believe in the whole and strong.
Yes.
So that he go make heaven.
Father!
Just a end time.
Holy strong.
God strong.
Embrace them.
Because when I don't say Kim Kardashian,
In papa.
his stepfather turned to woman.
Now his mother.
Now she get two mama.
Now Kanye West are sorry for past. Kanye West now get two mother-in-law.
Two mother-in-law. So they want
all
two
these people when they change.
Two mama go do omugo.
At the age of
Now,
what? 60.
Now,
70.
a Nigerian Ex-OAU student turned to woman. Why?
Oh, on the same
A
matter.
man. Let's listen to the story.
Oh, the word has come to our head. Yeah, they smell. Yeah, they smell. Ex-OAU student turned to woman. Dark boy make history as the first Nigeria to turn from man to woman. He say he don't begin sleep with men from when he be 6 years old. Then pursue and come out from Obafemi Awolowo University because he dey sleep with fellow men. Dakpo say the difference between him and other homosexuals be say him dey feel like a woman. Him feel say make person dey make love to am the way men dey make love to women. He say since him begin have sex, na him dey be the woman. But the men dem no wan show am love. Na to sleep with am, then dem go just waka leave am. So he don go Europe where he don find him kind of people. Now he don do plastic surgery wey turn am to complete woman. Her name now na Stephanie Rose.
Stephanie Rose. Stephanie Rose,
After all, Mr. Jenner was Jenner become Kathleen Jenner.
Stephanie Rose, baby.
Like now Stephanie Rose.
Stephanie Rose, Dakpo, baby.
My people, this is not I the red.
Nigeria.
My eye the red now. When I don't hear the to for my dead body we withdraw for 3 million.
Let me know what comment on this.
Man where they wish we rob bank. To homosexual we kill in lover for 600 naira. And to this one we be OAU superman student where they pursue because all the men they use and dump them. It come down to a woman finally. Now here I want to close the matter for this week.
Oh, now when they change to woman.
Join us for the next episode. We go be another Saturday. We're going to watch us for TV. This is I the Red. Don't forget to say our Twitter handle at I the Red. And also our email, ithered@wazobiatv.tv. If you get matter where you see for newspaper, you like more, we'll talk and make it tutorial. Send and come give us. We are going to talk in it. That's how we do it on the I the Red.
And our Facebook page.
And please, our Facebook page is Facebook.com/I. The Red. Like our page, comment on them. If you get something to drop there, drop them. We will come there, pick it, and we will talk about it. But please,
in addition,
finally,
watch our YouTube episode 2.
Episode 2, yeah.
In case you miss our beautiful YouTube.
Please, I am advising you people. All these people I want what they call now. And people when they expect, when they suspect, say that if you want change to women, you hear your name. Tunde.
One.
Honorable Yabi.
Yes.
Tunde Orebi.
No.
Banky Soundman. 2. What's the cameraman name?
Shegun.
Anibaba get high tendency.
Yes.
Because if you look it behind, he be like.
What's with that? The other one camera guy they use close. Don't use close.
So he's already in the line.
And Anibaba is even on
that yellow one. If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.